So next up, we're going to see two other modifiers. We've seen read-only, but in this video, we're now going to talk about public and private. So these are exclusive to TypeScript. Now the concepts might apply to JavaScript at large, the idea of a private property or a private method, but the actual keywords, these modifiers, public and private, don't exist in JavaScript. They only exist in TypeScript. So let's start with public. That's the easy one. By default, in JavaScript and in TypeScript, every single property in a class, every single method is considered public. So I can access first and last, I can access score from anywhere, right? TypeScript or JavaScript, they're not going to complain. I can look at first, I can look at last. I'm not in the class, right? I'm outside the class. I've instantiated rather, a new player called Elton. And then I can access score. Now, read-only says I can't change first. I can't change first name to be something like this, but that's different. I can still access it because it's public by default. So you don't really need to use the public modifier, but you can use it to be clear, to indicate to other developers, this is changeable from outside the class. It is public. And you can put that wherever you want on any properties. You can put it on methods even to tell TypeScript, anybody outside the class or inside the class can access this property or this method. So it's not going to change anything functionality-wise because these were already public. But if we look at our underlying or the compiled JavaScript, that all goes away. There's no such thing as public in JavaScript. So again, you could use that for clarity's sake, to be explicit, to make it clear to other developers this property is changeable or accessible or writable or whatever from outside the class. So public is visibility. Read-only is whether or not you can actually write to the property. So you can publicly read last, but you can't write to it publicly or not. It doesn't matter. You can't write. You can't change first and last. So that's the concept of public. In the next video, we'll cover private.